welcome to this video channel Simple Concepts by DJ. Today we are going to see one important chapter which is called as Integral Calculus. So let's get into the video. In integral calculus, let's see two important properties, right? Let this be property number 1. So let us assume that integral of k into f of x into dx, which will be equal to k into integral of f of x into dx, where k is nothing but it is called as a constant and f of x is nothing but any function, right? So this is property number 1. Okay, that is integral k into f of x into dx is equal to, you need to take the constant term outside the integral and you need to integrate only the function, that is the function with respect to x. So it will be k into integral of f of x into dx, where k is nothing but the constant and f of x is any function which we are going to integrate with respect to the variable x, right? So the second property, let the second property be property number 2 is integral of f of x plus or minus g of x into dx will be equal to integral of f of x into dx plus or minus integral of g of x into dx. So here f of x and g of x are two different functions. F of x and g of x are two different functions. Let it be function number 1, let it be function number 2. These are the two different functions called f of x and g of x. We are going to integrate with respect to the variable x. So integral of f of x plus or minus g of x into dx will be integral of f of x into dx plus or minus integral of g of x into dx. These are the two properties. Now we are going to see some standard results of integration, right? So number 1, integral of x power n into dx, integral of x to the power n into dx will be nothing but x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, where c is nothing but the constant called as integration constant. Here the condition will be n should not be equal to minus 1, right? The condition is this n should not be equal to minus 1, because if n is equal to minus 1, what will happen? X power, if n is minus 1 means minus 1 plus 1, which will be x to the power 0. So the value itself will become 0. So in order to avoid this, the condition is n should not be equal to minus 1. N should not take minus 1 as the value. Okay, it can take any values. It can take any values like 1, 2, 3 or minus 2, minus 3, whatever it is. But it should not specifically, it should not take the value minus 1. Right? So next, the second property. The second property is integral of ax plus b whole power n into dx. So this is nothing but, it looks like x power n into dx, like the one which we saw previously, right? So the value will be, we know that integral of x power n into dx is nothing but x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Similarly, if we take this one, we need to take this portion, that is ax plus b whole power n plus 1 divided by, now x is a variable, you have this part a is a constant. So what you are supposed to do is, you need to bring a over here, and you have to put this n plus 1 into n plus 1 plus c. So it will be nothing but 1 by a of ax plus b whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, provided n should not be equal to minus 1. Because if n is equal to minus 1 plus 1 will become 0. In order to avoid this, we need to be specific about this condition that n should not take the value minus 1. Okay. These are the two important results. So now let's get into problem number 3. In problem number 3, we have integral dx divided by 2x plus 3 whole square. So now what we need to do is integral of 2x plus 3 whole power minus 2, when it is being taken to the numerator, it will be 2x plus 3 whole to the power minus 2 into dx. Right, now I have made it the entire term along with the integral that is being with respect to x as integral of x power n into dx form. So now the next step will be integral of x power n into dx will be x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. This is x power n plus 1 divided by, see, you have this variable x, it is associated with number 2. So I am going to put only 2 over here, provided x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. C is integration constant. So it will be 2x plus 3 whole power minus 1 divided by 2 into, this will be minus 1 plus c. So now I am putting here as minus 2. So it will be minus 1 by 2 into 1 divided by 2x plus 3 minus 1 power minus 1. When it comes to the denominator, it will be 2x plus 3 whole power plus 1. So it will be 2x plus 3 plus c. So it will be minus 1 by 2 into 2x plus 3 plus c. This is the answer for this one. So now let's get into an important result, that is integral of 1 by x power n into dx. Let's get the answer for that. That is integral of 1 divided by x power n into dx. So this will be nothing but integral of x power minus n into dx. Because I am taking this x power n to the numerator, it will become x power minus n into dx. Now this indicates the formula integral of x power n into dx is nothing but x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So what am I going to do is integral x power minus n into dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Now what I am going to do is, which will be equal to, now I am going to bring this part to the denominator. So it will be 1 divided by minus n plus 1, keep this term as it is, and now I am going to bring this term to the denominator. So it will be 1 divided by x to the power minus n will become plus n and plus 1 will become minus 1. X power n minus 1 plus c. So now what I am going to do is, if I add one negative sign over here, this term will be minus 1 plus n. So minus minus plus 1, minus into plus equal to minus n. So this will be minus of 1 divided by minus 1 plus n. Because I am multiplying minus into minus will be plus 1. Similarly, minus into plus equal to minus n. So without changing the value, without changing this value inside the bracket, I am adding one negative sign and I am evaluating it. Okay, so this will be 1 divided by x power n minus 1 plus c. Now which will be equal to minus 1 by minus 1 plus n will be minus of 1 divided by n minus 1 into this 1 divided by x power n minus 1. So it will be x power x to the power n minus 1 plus c. Therefore the result will be minus 1 by n minus 1 into x power n minus 1 plus c. So this is the integral value of integral 1 by x power n into dx is this one. So we have obtained an important result for this integral quantity, provided n should not be equal to 1, because if n is equal to 1 means 1 minus 1 will be 0, so x will take the power of 0. So it should not, n should not take the value 1, it can take any value other than 1. Integral of a divided by ax plus b whole power n into dx. So what will be the value of this one? So what you are supposed to do is integral of a into, I am going to bring this term into the numerator. So it will be ax plus b whole power minus n into dx. So now I am taking this constant out of the integral. So it will be a into integral of ax plus b whole power minus n into dx, which is nothing but a into, now ax plus b whole power minus n plus 1 divided by, so you have this a over here, since a is associated with this variable, a into minus n plus 1 plus c. Now what we are supposed to do is, which is equal to a into, see now a and a gets cancelled, so no need to put a over here. So we have only ax plus b whole power minus n plus 1 divided by minus n plus 1. So what I am going to do is, I am going to add a negative sign. I am going to add a negative sign to the denominator. So it will be 1 divided by, if I add a negative sign, what will be there now? It will be minus of n minus 1, because minus n is minus n, minus into minus plus 1, so it will be plus 1. Without changing the value, I am altering the sign, the respective signs. So minus of n minus 1, and I am taking this ax plus b whole power minus n plus 1 from the numerator to the denominator. So it will be ax plus b whole power n minus 1. Since I have brought this minus n plus 1 to the denominator, the value of the signs, respective signs, will take a change. So it will be minus n plus 1 will be n minus 1 plus c. Therefore, the value of integral a divided by ax plus b whole power n into dx will be minus 1 divided by n minus 1 into ax plus b whole power n minus 1 plus c, provided n should not be equal to 1. This is the condition, because if n is equal to 1, it will be 1 minus 1 will be 0. So ax plus b will be taking the power 0, which is not allowed. So n should not be, strictly it should not be equal to 1. So let's get into the another problem. Integral of x plus 1 by x whole square into dx. Now x plus 1 by x whole square, it's in the form of an algebraic identity, that is a plus b whole square. So it will be integral of, you need to put like a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square into dx. So this will be x will get cancelled. So what we have to do is we need to put integral of x square into dx plus integral of 1 by x square into dx plus integral of 2 into dx. So what will be the result for this one? It will be x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus x power minus 2. So integral of x power minus 2 into dx will be x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So it will be x power minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1 divided by minus 1. So minus 1 divided by minus 1, x power minus 1 divided by minus 1, which is nothing but minus 1 by x. So it will be, I'll replace it with minus 1 by x. So I'll erase this positive term. Okay, minus 1 by x plus 2 into integral of dx is nothing but x plus c. Therefore, the result of this one will be x cubed by 3 minus 1 by x plus 2x plus c, where c is nothing but the constant of integration. Let's get into another problem. Integral of x cubed plus 7 into x minus 4 into dx. So what we are supposed to do is that we are given with two terms inside an integral. So what we have to do is we need to multiply both the terms and we need to get the result. So x cubed plus 7 into x minus 4. 7 4s are 28. Minus into plus will be minus 4x cubed. This will be minus, provided this one is 7x, plus into plus is plus x power 4. So the answer will be x power 4 minus 4x cubed plus 7x minus 28. So if I multiply both the terms, this is the value which I am getting. So I need to put this value inside the integral. This will be nothing but integral of x to the power 4 minus 4 into x cubed plus 7 into x minus 28. This will come under dx because the entire term is being differentiated with dx. That is, it is going to be integrated with respect to the x value. So now it will be integral of x power 4 into dx plus minus 4 into integral of x cube into dx plus 7 into integral of x into dx minus 28 into integral of dx. So now integral of x power 4 into dx is nothing but x power n plus 1, x power 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1, which is 5, minus 4 into integral of x power 3 into dx is nothing but x power 4 divided by 4 plus 7 into integral of x into dx is nothing but integral, it will be x squared divided by 2 minus 28 into integral of dx is nothing but x plus c. So now we have to put it as, we have 4 and 4 gets cancelled over here. So which is equal to x power 5 divided by 5 minus x to the power 4 plus 7x squared divided by 2 minus 28x plus c. Therefore, this is the solution for this question. Please keep supporting and don't forget to subscribe my channel.